Hello students, we know that now the board theory exam is very important for us. So, we will discuss step-by-step preparation strategies that will help you score excellent marks. Step 1. Understand the question paper pattern. Here is the sample question paper issued by the CBSE for the current session. Section A consists of 21 marks. This section has short answer questions. From all 3 units, questions will be asked. For section B, total 14 marks are allotted. Each question carries 2 marks. Majorly, it covers Python questions, but there is a question from MySQL as well as computer networks. Here is section C. It is for 9 marks. All the questions are based on Python. Then what about section D? It has total 4 questions worth 4 marks each. Here the questions will be based on MySQL and one question is from CSV file. Moving ahead to the last section, it is section E. Here we have total 2 questions, each carries 5 marks. You will surely get one application based question on networking just like this. Along with that, there is one question based on binary file. So you must focus on concepts, syntax, application and problem solving. So what's the next step? Revise the syllabus. You can divide your preparation into unit wise. From the unit 1, you will be revising fundamentals of Python, data types like string, list, tuple and dictionaries. You should be clear with the functions and there are 3 modules: random, statistics and math. Go through all 3 files: text, binary and CSV. There is a small topic of data structure stack using list. Then what about unit 2? It is computer networks. It's a theoretical unit, so you need to read all the definitions. Get the idea of network and its types. Go through switching techniques and transmission media. Understand what are the different protocols and the network devices. Moving ahead to the last unit, that is database management. Here you need to understand the concept as well as how to write the queries. We will have to write select queries with different clause. There is also an important concept of join. And the last topic is Python and MySQL connectivity. Make sure you revise each topic systematically. For unit-wise revision, we have videos. Make sure to check it out. If you want to revise whole portion in one go, don't forget to go through this video. Moving ahead to the next step. Practice previous year questions. This is the most powerful step. Solve at least 5 years of board question papers. Analyze the pattern of coding questions, short definitions, SQL query writing and application-based questions on file handling and networking. PYQS help you improve time management and know frequently asked questions. This will be my tip. Always time yourself while solving papers. This builds speed and accuracy. We have solved the sample question paper issued by CBSE, so do check it out. For revision, here is the best idea. Create a revision planner. For that, just make a simple timetable which fits you well. You can also follow this planner. First revise, then solve PYQS and revisit the weak areas. And here is my last minute revision tip. Prepare a cheat sheet with key points. These small notes help you revise quickly before the board exam. Along with that, make a note of the repeated questions. Comment ready if you are starting revision today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Revise smart, practice well and answer confidently. All the best for your board exam. See you in the next video.